French toast breakfast for us. Cinnamon bread, we packed just a few ingredients with us. Some chicken sausage, super simple. We picked these blueberries out here in Death Valley. Got to them before the burros. It's gonna be a good hangover helper today. Let's get into it. Grill's warm, cast iron's warm. Pretty basic, quick little setup. Get some of that in there. Gonna crack some eggs in here. Okay. Oh, yeah, that'll work. Quick little French toast batter. Just gonna whip this up real quick. Oh yeah, that's happy. A little bit of vanilla extract. Woo. Some cinnamon going in there. Just that, simple French toast batter. Yeah, all of our temps are good. We got the grill around, I'm going for like 300 today, since we're gonna be more or less flat searing on here. You can see the cast iron that I dropped in there. Let's go ahead and get our bread in here. Woo! All right, we're gonna do 5 more pieces here, and then we're gonna drop our chicken sausage. Okay, let's get these on. Woo! Woo! All that looks happy. We're gonna give that a closing, let that roll for a few. Got chicken sausage here? Dropping the sausage. Do one more little pack of these guys. Ugh. Grill opening. All right, let's see how these are looking. Give these wieners a tossin'. I'm gonna give that a little Ugh. Michael, I'm telling you.
I don't fluff much, but
Ba-ba-dum. That was a quick little French toast breakfast for us. Cinnamon bread, we packed just a few ingredients with us. It's a nice little, it's gonna be a good hangover helper today. Some chicken sausage, super simple. Recipe will be online.